Industrial Chemicals rung us because they got the first glass-lined reactors in, and then because of the access constraints, they couldn't get the other two in. The vessels themselves have got a glass lining inside, and it stops the chemicals that they're storing corroding the steel, but it's really delicate, so if you hit the side of it, it can shatter the glass inside, so we've got to be really careful with what we're doing. We picked it up with a big versalift, put that on a step frame chairlift, chained it down. And then brought it round into the destination side of the building. We've got two versalift fork trucks. One's a 4060, which picks up about 30 tonne. One's a 2535, that picks up 16. We then had to reverse it in between a lot of steel columns, so we were restricted for access. Offload it onto the floor. The lorry loader, which is the crane that we use to do the lift, that's a 150 tonne metre on a trailer, so that's a very specialist bit of kit. And then tandem lift it upright with the smaller versalift and the lorry loader and lift it into position. We get on really well as a team, to be honest. The lads that we've got are all really experienced. They've been doing it for a long time. The lift itself, yesterday it took us 4 hours to get it into position and then 3 hours to line all the bolts up. So we learned from yesterday. Today I think probably about 3 hours, I think, from start to finish. Just went really well. Joah Exley can provide turnkey solutions for all heavy lifting, transport, installation and industrial storage requirements.